Hi, everyone, and welcome to Go English Talk. I'm Mizu.
And I'm Lucas. Thanks for joining us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Go English. I'm Mizu, and this is where we learn practical English for real life, not from books, and use it in real situations.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucas. Welcome back, learners from all around the world. And now I'm here excited to learn English together with you.
Lucas, before we jump in, let me check in with you. How's your day going today? Busy, calm, or a little all over the place?
I'd say busy, but not stressful. I woke up, checked my phone, answered a few messages, made some coffee, strong coffee. And then I thought, okay, let's start the day. So yeah, busy but good.
I like that. And you know what? You didn't stop to think about grammar. You just talked. Short ideas, one by one. Very natural.
Exactly. I wasn't planning my sentences. I wasn't thinking about rules. I just said what came to my mind.
And honestly, that's where many English learners get stuck. They think too much about grammar, about being perfect, and then they freeze. No words come out.
So today, we want to help you feel more relaxed. And we're starting with a very small word, but a very powerful one.
Yes, the word will. Let me ask you something. When do we use will? When do you usually say it?
And another question, is will only about the future, like tomorrow, next week, next year? Or do we use it in other situations too?
If you're thinking, I'm not sure, don't worry at all. Really. Will is easy. And the funny thing is, you already use it more than you think.
Yes, probably every day. You just don't notice it yet. And that's okay. We're going to notice it together.
So if you enjoy learning English in a calm, friendly, real-life way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Go English.
All right, relax. Stop overthinking.
And let's learn how to use will naturally, the Go English way. All right, Lucas, let's start very simple. When you hear the word will, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Honestly, the future. Tomorrow, next week, next year, that kind of future.
Yes, that's what most learners think, and you're not wrong. But will is a little bigger than that.
Exactly. Will does talk about the future, but not a far, far future. It's more like right now, thinking about the future.
Ooh, I like that. So let me say it again, nice and slow. Will is about now, thinking about the future.
Yes, you're here, in this moment, and suddenly you decide something. Boom, will appears.
For example, I'm sitting here and I think, oh, I'm thirsty. And then I say, I will get some water. That decision happens now.
Perfect example. And that's why will is also about decisions, not just time.
Right. And what about promises? We use will there too, right?
All the time. When you want to sound clear and serious, you say things like, I will call you, or I won't forget.
That sounds strong. It sounds sure.
And don't forget offers. This one is very friendly English.
Oh, yes, like, I will help you, or I will carry that for you. It feels warm, helpful.
So let's put it all together. Will helps us talk about the future, decisions we make now, promises, and offers.
And the big idea, the Go English idea, is this. Will is not scary. Will is natural.
It's just your brain, right now, connecting to the future.
Exactly. Now thinking about the future. Say it with us, slowly.
Now,
Thinking.
about the future.
Nice. If that makes sense, you're already doing great. All right, now let's look at the easiest use of will. This one is very calm, very safe. Future facts.
Yes, things that will happen. No feelings, no decisions, just simple facts.
Let me ask you, Lucas, what day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Okay, so what about tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Monday.
Perfect. See? That sounded easy. No thinking, no stress.
Exactly. We're just talking about what will happen in the future.
Here's another one. What about work tomorrow?
I will work from home.
Nice. Short, clear, natural.
And that's the pattern. Very simple. Subject, will, verb.
Yes. Say it slowly with us. Subject, will, verb.
And the verb never changes. Never.
No S, no ED, no in. Always the base form.
I will go. She will work. They will start.
Same verb every time. That's why will is friendly.
So remember, when you're talking about a simple future fact, just relax.
No grammar headache. Just say what will happen.
Simple future. Simple English.
Exactly. That's Go English. Okay, Lucas. Now let me ask you something. Do you always plan your decisions?
No, not at all. Many decisions just happen.
Exactly. And this is where will appears very naturally.
Yes, when you decide something right now in this moment.
Let's imagine a situation. I'm sitting here talking, and suddenly, I feel hungry.
Same here.
And I say, I'm hungry. I'll eat something. That decision wasn't planned. It just came out.
Perfect example. You didn't think about it this morning. You decided now.
Now, another situation. We're talking, and suddenly, it's cold in here.
Yeah, I can feel it.
So I say, it's cold. I'll close the window. Again, decision now.
Exactly. No planning, no schedule. Just a quick reaction.
So let's say it clearly, slowly. Decision now. We use will.
For a decision now, we use will.
Nice. And this happens all the time in real life.
That's why will sounds very natural in conversations.
So it's something happens and you react immediately. Don't think too much.
Just use will and keep talking.
Simple decision, simple English. Go English. All right. Now let's talk about a very emotional use of will. Promises.
Yes, this one is not just grammar. This one is feeling.
Imagine someone looks at you and says, I'm worried. What do you say?
You don't think, you just answer. I'll help you.
Exactly. And when you say that, it sounds strong. It sounds real.
Because will shows commitment. You're not just talking, you mean it.
Another one. Someone says, please don't forget.
And you say, I won't forget. Clear, direct, strong.
Yes. No long explanation, just confidence.
That's why will is perfect for promises and intentions.
When you use will, people feel it. They feel your promise.
It sounds sure. It sounds clear.
Say it with us. Slowly. I will help you.
I won't forget.
Good. Hear that strength?
That's the sound of will.
So remember, when you want to promise something, when you want to sound serious and kind,
Use will.
strong, clear, real English. Ugh, this bag is so heavy.
Whoa, let me help. I'll carry that for you.
Oh, thanks, Lucas. That's exactly what I needed.
See? Using will here is supernatural. It's how we offer help in real conversations. No overthinking.
Totally. And it doesn't have to be physical stuff. Like, my phone's about to die.
Uh-oh. What's gonna happen?
Don't worry. I'll call you later so you don't miss anything important.
Exactly. Friendly, casual, helpful. That's how native speakers use will.
So remember, guys, anytime you want to help someone or offer something in everyday life, just say will. It's super simple and natural.
Yeah, and don't be shy. The more you practice, the more it feels like second nature.
All right, Lucas. I think you owe me a snack for helping with that bag.
Deal. I'll get it for you. All right. Now that we know how to use will to offer and help in everyday life, let's tackle something that confuses a lot of learners: the difference between will and shall.
Okay, guys, don't freak out. Here's the first thing. You don't need shall to speak good English. Seriously.
Totally. In modern English, almost everyone just uses will. It's everywhere. Emails, chats, conversations, you name it.
Exactly. Will is your safe, natural, everyday go-to. For example, I'll go grab some coffee. Simple, normal, friendly, casual.
Now, shall, well, that's a bit fancy, a bit British. You might hear it in old books, formal letters, or if someone's just trying to sound super polite.
Like, shall I help you? Sounds polite, right? But it's not wrong, just rare and everyday U.S. English.
Exactly. Think of it like this. Will is natural, confident, and modern, while shall sounds formal, polite, or more British style. So, the key takeaway? Use will confidently. And if you hear shall, just recognize it. Don't stress.
Yes, don't overthink it. Will is enough for 99% of your conversations. You're already sounding natural and friendly.
And hey, if you really want to impress a British teacher, you can sprinkle in shall once in a while.
Perfect. But honestly, stick with will and you're golden. Okay, guys, let's talk about something that makes a lot of learners nervous. Common mistakes with will.
Yep. First thing, don't overthink grammar. Seriously. You don't need to freeze just because it's will.
Exactly. And another one, some learners mix will and be going to too early, like they try to plan everything perfectly in their head.
Yeah, that happens a lot. But honestly, just speak naturally. The context will tell you which one to use.
Right. And the most important thing, don't forget the structure. It's super simple. Will plus base verb. Nothing extra needed.
Yep. I will help you. You will learn. We will practice. That's all you need. Easy, right?
See? No stress, no overthinking. Just focus on speaking and helping yourself get comfortable with will.
Exactly. Mistakes are fine. The more you use it, the safer you'll feel. And that's what really matters.
All right, it's practice time, guys. Let's get you speaking with us.
Yes, the best way to learn will is to actually use it. Don't just listen. Speak.
We've got some fill-in-the-blank sentences for you. Super quick and fun. For example, I think tomorrow I will.
Go ahead. Finish that sentence out loud. Say it with confidence, even if it's just one word.
And don't stop there. We want you to practice more. Try to make a full sentence. I will help my friend with, or I will try to.
Yeah. And here's a little challenge. Write one sentence with will below in the comments. Show us you in English.
Remember, the more you speak and write, the more natural it becomes. Don't worry about mistakes. Just have fun with it.
Exactly. Let's go. I'll start. I will drink coffee after this video. Your turn.
All right, let's wrap everything up. Here are the key ideas to remember about will.
First, will is simple. You don't need complicated rules. Just will plus base verb and you're good to go.
Second, will is natural. Native speakers use it all the time in everyday conversations. Offers, promises, decisions, you name it.
And don't forget, will is real life English. It's what you'll actually hear and say every day.
Oh, and one more thing. You don't need shall to start speaking. Seriously, stick with will and you'll sound confident and friendly right away.
So remember, practice a little every day. Even just one sentence with will.
Yes, simple English works. Don't overthink. Just speak and have fun.
And of course, like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this lesson.
We're learning together. See you in the next Go English video.
Bye-bye.